Lymphoria Lymphatic Drainage Drops are marketed as a supplement that claims to support your lymphatic system, reduce bloating, remove toxins, and promote overall wellness. The marketing offer makes it sound like an easy way to cleanse your body, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and maintaining good overall health all support normal lymphatic function. However, there's very little high-quality evidence that oral lymphatic drainage drops can significantly boost lymphatic drainage or detoxify the body. What it does well: easy to take. The liquid drop format is convenient and simple to incorporate into a daily routine. May encourage healthy habits. People taking wellness supplements may also become more mindful of hydration, exercise, and nutrition, where the hype falls apart. It's not a proven detox product. Your liver and kidneys already perform the body's primary detoxification functions, and there is little scientific evidence that these drops enhance that process. There's no strong evidence they improve lymphatic drainage. Claims of dramatically boosting lymph flow or flushing toxins are generally not supported by robust clinical research. Results vary between individuals. Any perceived benefits may differ based on overall health, diet, and lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.